Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. So, today, which is the biggest day for India, as today is a big day where people might be celebrating Modi 3.0 victory on election results day. Let's see how commodity and currency markets would be impacted on from that. So starting with my precious metal updates, gold move is near term expected to remain largely dependent on given poor run of data seen since last PCE report released on Friday. Yesterday, PMI number also indicated a slowdown in economic condition given multi-decade high interest rate, but not enough to bring a sustained up move in prices. Overall, expectations remain mildly positive bias to persist in a day trade amid US macro cues ahead, including labor market numbers to provide further direction to prices. For technically, gold futures intraday support is around 71,800 and 71,290. Resistance is around 72,670 and 73,300. Continuing with energy update, oil prices have trended lower since early April as geopolitical risk embedded and uh, demand showed signs of faltering. Now, with the OPEC Plus decision to unwind cuts later in the year, has turned market sentiments to negative. However, it is to be noted that output cuts remain in place for third quarter, the thus restrained supply will still keep downside limited. Technically, for crude oil futures, intraday support is around 6,000 and 6,000 and 5,860, and resistance is around 6,280 and 6,440. Continuing with base metal update, metals largely ignore poor PMI data and focus for upcoming option expiry, which is due tomorrow. It is normal for metals to remain steady in a range and become immune to the rest of the financial markets just ahead of the expiry. Generally, a catch up takes place after the expiry. This week, investor awaits economic schedule featuring the release of non-farm payrolls data from US as well as import-export figures from China. Technically, for copper, intraday support is around 873 and 867. Resistance is around 889 and 896. On currency front, on the macro front, Friday's US job data is the key for ongoing economic softness narrative. ECB rate decision is also slated for this week and they are widely expected to cut rates. They would be the first one to cut rates. While the dollar can be muted for a short period, the relative strength of US economy will keep dollar competitive over the coming months. For today, rupee will await outcome of federal elections with exit poll predicting PM Narendra Modi party will win for majority. For today, economic events apart from elections results in India, in US we have factory orders for April month, US durable goods orders, JOLTS job opening. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.